actually, we can also talk about the selection a little bit, how selection works, because
now we have a few things to work with, so how do we manage them?
Yeah, well, actually, selection is pretty basic. You just literally click on the item and it gets selected. If you click on another item, that other item gets selected. But if you would like to select two items, as you mentioned, you can hold the Control key and click on the second item to add it to the selection, and then all others will be added automatically. Now, it's important that if you select something first, it will be highlighted with a different color. That means that was the first selected item. Why is that important? It's important because based on that information, you can change the distance between the first item and the rest of the selection.
So the first always stays where it is, right?
Yes, yes. Or you can just change the direction. So you can make the other one to be the first selected or the highlighted one. So you can do it the other way around. So if I would like to change this as well, it's 2.1. I just click first on this, Control click on the second one, and I just type 2.2.1 and enter, and that's it. Now, pretty much the same way, you can actually select partition walls and make them change for any sort of reason. Or if I would like to, for example, change the color or the material of the exterior walls, I would like to use something like a stone pattern. I can click here and Control click and keep clicking and adding all these things, but actually there's a much more sophisticated way if you know that all these items share a common property, and that common property is their thickness.
For instance, yes.
So in that case, you can use the, there is this edit tool, and there's this selection bar here and with all sort of selection items, and there is one with the by properties. If you click there, you will find a property which is the wall width, and then you can tell the software, please select everything that shares the wall width.
So it should be 0.38 because we are in
0.38, and then everything is selected.
Supposedly we don't want to have this one in the middle selected, so how do we get rid of this?
In that case, again, you can just use the knowledge that you already have. How you added an item with Control. So if you hold Control and click on a selected item, it will get removed. So it's not selected now. Now only the exterior walls are selected. So now I can go here and say that I would like to change this material to something else. This is the material library. I did not mention that, but besides styles, ARCHLine is coming with built-in material libraries, doors, and everything else. Now I'm working with the materials. I go back to the libraries, and you can see that there are several options, other sub-libraries where you can find these items. I know that there is a stone somewhere, but I don't know where, so I just use the search field and I hit enter, and then it will find everything with the name stone, and I will just use this one, for example.
Stone decoration should be good.
Yeah, so that's it over there.